Bill and Paul wrote Microsoft Basic on an emulator written with assembly on a PDP-10. That's not a PDP-10. That is. Squeak is a Smalltalk that was written in itself. Now, what does that mean? It means they used a simulator, and we're going to take a look at what a simulator is. We're going to get a 2.7 image, and we're going to open that up. We're going to make it go full screen. Then we're going to get a browser and go to the class Interpreter Simulator LSB. This line of code is important, and we're going to come back to that. We're going to put the browser window aside. We're going to save a copy, save as. We're going to save a copy of this image, and we'll call it stimulator image.image. Then we'll leave full screen. We'll get rid of this window. Go to Appearance, Set Desktop Color, use the color picker, and change the color of the screen. Now we're going to save a copy of this image. We'll call it Source. Then we'll just get out of that image. So we've got on our desktop an image called stimulator.image, and we open that up. It complains it doesn't have a sources file, too bad. Now we're going to change Smalltalk image name to single quote source.image single quote. And then we're going to execute this line of code. We do that, it says relocating object pointers. Now if you look at the full screen, we have a small image running inside a large image. That is, the small image in the lower right is using the larger image as its virtual machine. This is the simulator. This is how Smalltalk is written in itself. We've got one image acting as an image, another image acting as a de facto virtual machine. So think about the potential of this for hacking virtual machines. Now you can't go back and forth. When the source image is running, you're cut off from the desktop of the larger image. That pink stuff, it's a memory error. It's saying we're running out of memory. Let's not worry about it now. So if you want to use the simulator for a large image, because this is a small image, and an old image, you'd have to bring a lot of knowledge to the party. Okay? This is a simplified VM, a simplified image, so it's easier to do. And a lot of hackers, they don't use, this is not how they hack the VM. They just use slang, but you could if you wanted to. So we close the internal image, we drag the browser down, and all there is left is kind of a, yeah, okay, it's coughing, cough, cough. Now we're back to the encircling image. And see, it's gone. So Squeak really is, or can be, a Smalltalk written in itself.